All the Manipur Women's Social Reformation and Development Samaj, Nupi Samaj President T.H. Ramani has appealed to government not to hold Sangai festival until the issue of internally displaced persons IDPs staying at relief camps is properly addressed. The statement was made today at the office of Nupi Samaj, located at Imphal, during a joint meeting attended by representatives of all Tamichingmi Apunbanupilo, Nupi Samaj and Imphal, a women's organization. T.H. Ramani stated that organizing a grand festival while many families of IDPs continue to suffer at relief camps is inappropriate and insensitive. She said it will be better to focus all efforts and resources towards resettling and assisting those displaced rather than celebrating when so many are still struggling. The women's bodies jointly urged that the government, including the governor, and all concerned authorities reconsider holding the Sangai festival under the current humanitarian situation and take visible actions to help the displaced people first.
Sangai mela pangthokane na tawibase mase officer governor loina yauraka khanaraga tawrokani masi tawbiganu lili kemda lairiba ima ibian hina kaptra lairaba mayam hina lairakanda maside mela tawbase koi pamde lili kemda lairiba mayam se amuk tang mayumda changhalaga nena tarakanda di tawbiu aduna ta suktaw tawbiganu mela che tawbiganu akoina jakada wasaga no lambi punamak nimapra lambi ka che thinginge ba kholi ba asuk yam ba chidi amuk tang thinungai tawdraga amaina mela tawdoino tawwai aroi tawbiganu
President of Imphal, T. Ibemcha, asserted that organizing Sangai festival at this juncture to cover up the sufferings of the people is unfortunate. She urged the PR administration to make arrangements for displaced persons to return home and allow free movement in restricted areas before organizing the festival. She also cautioned Tourism Department and PR administration should hold responsibility for any consequences if Sangai festival is organized before addressing the plights of the people.
Housing PR ki sarkar lairi government pa sember ngamdriba kangkung saidaga leba mamitin mapikang diba IDP sing lairiba amadi national highway sindanga sida freeman tawba ngamdriba puruk chama gak leba maitei ekoi jati ekoi na chengmai lala chapang ngamdriba malingda jiri chapam matamda ekoi ka thema bidi phaw chapang ngamdriba sa changbang ngamdriba more chambang ngamdriba asigumla bibam sing asida sangai gi festival asi harau tayaba santi oiba kangnop sing sigi nungsinabagi utpage tugumba thauram ado madu matam sade haina akoi lup agum masuna laujin